Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on the video and like it as well. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to do a setup, basically the installation, and then not the physical installation, I guess the software installation portion of it, like the features and all of that stuff. And this is of a NextBase 4K Dashcam, and you can see it there. It does have the rear view, I guess, camera option, the module that's attached to it. I'm just going to go through the setup really quick. So the first option is to select the language. And after you select the language, it asks for the first time installation. So let's see what happens when you go from this screen here. Just letting you know you're going to do your time zones. And it has you select your location. So depending on where you're at, it then asks for your region within that country. It then asks whether or not you want to do miles per hour or kilometers per hour. Next, you're going to set up the time and date. And this is a touchscreen, by the way, so all you have to do is basically just go on the OK button there, or if you want to go back. Okay, and then the next one is the app features. This is Alexa enabled, so it is going to want to do, you need to have 2 apps installed if you want to have the Alexa and then also the Dashcam features on it. The first is the My NextBase Connect app. That's for the Dashcam itself, and then of course the Amazon Alexa app. Okay, so you can see there it's asking you to install the My NextBase Connect app. And then next it's going to be waiting for a connection. So I'm going to stop the video and then just kind of add it onto it later. Okay, so I already set up the app, and I set up Alexa as well. I'm going to try to figure out to see if there's an app or something to record what you see on the actual cell phone, or like say tablet or whatever when you're setting this up. I'm doing this on my cell phone in particular, because you can't really see what's on the app while you're doing, because there's a lot of features that you can do on there, like see the videos and you know, you could actually take a picture. I just learned right now, like if you just click on it, you see, if you want to just take a quick picture of something. And in the app, there's a lot more features. It has, like I said, it's Alexa enabled, so you could actually do like an SOS setup, where if the camera detects there's a crash, it'll actually alert, like say 911 services or whatever emergency services there are in your country. And also you could see like the file sharing and all that through Alexa, through the different commands. I can't do it because I'm using my phone. I'm going to try to see if I can download some type of app that'll actually screen record what's on the cell phone itself. But for now, I'm just going to do it like this. It is Wi-Fi. I don't know if you can see there. Yeah, kind of the bottom. As Wi-Fi, as Bluetooth. Like I said, it's a 4K camera. It is Alexa enabled. So you could actually talk with Alexa at the same time and give it some functionality of it. The rear camera, I don't know if you can see it there. Maybe you could, yeah. That little square on the top, you can see my cell phone with the light on. It's recording, and I'm having it, record right now for the rear passengers. I'm going to try to see how you zoom out, because I was told you could actually zoom out. I was trying to figure that out. I couldn't really quite get it. I'm not sure if it's a feature in the app itself, and I need to start going through the app a lot more. So let me know what you think about the video. I'm going to do a separate video, but this is going to be specific to the NextBase Connect app, the NextBase Connect app, to show the different features from the app itself connected to this Dashcam, because there are multiple Dashcams that can be used for. This is the one of them that it is. It's the high end one. It's the 622GW, the 4K camera resolution. And then you can see there the rear camera. So thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. Like I said, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.